Tuni walks to the dock one day. Splashy waves come out to play. Tiny bells and soft boat toots, floating gently near the roots. A sailboat glides with sail so wide, it leans a bit then starts to glide. The breeze gives it a gentle push across the lake without a rush. Float, float boats across the sea. Waves go swish and fish swim free. Toot, toot horns and bells go ding. Float, float boats do their water thing. A rowboat comes with paddles neat. Two oars splash in steady beat. Dip and pull, then lift and sway. The boat drifts slow, then floats away. Tuni claps and smiles so wide, watching sea foam roll and slide. A tiny crab waves from a stone. Tuni, you're not all alone. Float, float boats across the sea. Waves go swish and fish swim free. Toot, toot horns and bells go ding. Float, float boats do their water thing. Next a ferry big and strong carries people all day long. Its engine hums a bubbly sound, churning water round and round. The water's deep, the boats stay near. Tuni stands back with no fear. A grown-up holds his bunny hand. Stay by the edge, not where it's grand. Float, float boats across the sea. Waves go swish and fish